We'll start with a shortbread crust, fill it with banana Bavarian cream, and top it off with giant strawberries. But mind ye, don't be diving head first in like a scallywag. Blast it, you deaf pirate! Hold on tight, I'll fetch you out. Okay, I'll get started on the crust. Welcome to my loony kitchen. In your food processor, take 2 cups of flour and a 1/3 cup of sugar, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and give that a whiz around. I just installed a nitro injection. I can get those faraway giant strawberries. Nitro injection! Add in 1/2 cup plus 2 tablespoons of cubed butter. Add it in a little at a time so you get the flour to coat it. And whiz it until you get something like Parmesan cheese. Nope, those lumps are the size of peas. Almost. There, that's what you put on your spaghetti. Add in 1 egg and 1 yolk and squeeze in the juice of a lemon. Whiz it around some more until just when it comes together. If it looks too dry, don't add water, whatever you do. Add more lemon juice. Water will make your shell shrink in the oven. It'll shrink a little anyway. And mold it into a flat circle and wrap it in plastic. Chill it for at least 20 minutes. 2 hours is best. It needs a nappy poo. Woo! Oh, this is one sweet ride. Hold on to your taste buds, my friends. Uh-oh. And preheat your oven to 350 degrees now. Roll it out gently and little by little. Give it a 1/4 turn every once in a while. This will help you keep it round. And get it as thin as you can. The masters like to get it 1/8 of an inch thick. And here's a trick to get it in the pan. Scoop your bottom underneath and fold the edges on top. Then plop it in, unfold them. Ease it into the corners without pushing and pulling. That'll stretch it thin. And work it into the flutes too. There you go. If you don't have a loony in your kitchen, you can use your fingers. Then poke holes in the bottom. This is a good time for your loony to put on stiletto heels. Or a fork works too. This is called docking, by the way. Then crumple up a piece of parchment paper that'll hang over the sides and fill it with baking beans and bake for 20 minutes. Then remove the beans and bake it for 10 to 15 minutes longer. Ooh, oh, ah, ooh. Oh, Eureka! These are the giant ones, and they're so perfect for our tart. It's gonna be legendary. Willifrida, you made it! Another successful flavor expedition. Who knew nitro injection could make everything so much larger? I got us the most giant strawberries the skies have ever seen. Take 4 yolks and whisk them together with the sugar. And heat up 2 cups of half and half. Half whole milk and half heavy cream. To the steaming. Oh, and get your gelatin blooming too. 1 envelope whisked with about a 1/4 cup of water will do the trick. Whisk in a little bit of the half and half to loosen up the yolks. Then slowly drizzle in the rest. This is called tempering. Now pour it back into the pan and on medium heat. It'll thicken up in about 10 minutes. It all happens really fast at the end, but keep your liquid moving. It'll coat the back of a spoon. Now you want to let it cool to room temperature, about 70 degrees. We have the attention span of 2-year-olds, so we cool it faster with a bowl of ice water. Add in your gelatin, vanilla, and banana extracts, and give everything a stir every once in a while so its skin doesn't form. If your gelatin got solid, you can give it a 5-second zap in the microwave and it'll go back to liquid. Take 1 cup of heavy cream and whisk that to stiff peaks. 10 minutes. Yep. Fold this into the cool custard mixture. You can use a spatula or a balloon whisk. We like to use both. Put a layer of banana coins on the bottom of your tart shell. By the way, this is called a blind baked shell. I'd be knowing things. And pour your filling over top. They are just enough. Enough to clean the bowl with the leftover banana pieces. Chill this in the fridge for 15 minutes and let it get solid enough to hold the strawberries. These are huge. Let the flavors come alive. That be the spirit. Now slice off the unripe tops and leaves and cut them in half. These are giant. Oh my, can't believe it. Mix in ½ a cup of apricot preserves for a wonderful glazed topping. Remember, we eat with our eyes first. You can't substitute with strawberry jelly or jam. It'll liquefy and ooze all over the place. Yeah, we tried that already. It's a masterpiece. A tart fit for the high seas and enchanted feasts. Indeed, Captain Breadhook, our collaboration has created a dessert that combines the magic of fairy realms and the playful spirit of pirate adventures. Leave a comment. Should Captain Breadhook get a nitro injection in her shit too?